In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set user permissions in Monday.com. Managing user permissions in Monday.com is an important part of keeping your workspace organized and secure. When permissions are set correctly, team members only get access to the boards, dashboards, documents, and workspace controls they actually need. This helps reduce mistakes, protects important information, and keeps your account easier to manage as your team grows. To get started, log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main area where you can see your available workspaces and boards. If you manage multiple teams or departments, take a moment here to confirm that you're working in the correct account before making any changes. Next, choose the workspace where you want to update permissions. This is important because workspace permissions apply specifically to that workspace, so you'll want to select the one that contains the boards and members you're trying to manage. A quick double check at this stage can save time later. After opening the right workspace, look for the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional settings and management options that aren't shown directly on the main screen. Click that three-dot menu to open the list of available actions. From the drop-down options, select Manage Workspace. This will take you to the Workspace Settings area, where you can control how members interact with that workspace. If you don't see this option, it may mean your role doesn't include permission to manage workspace settings. Once you're inside the Workspace Management area, click on Permissions. Keep in mind that only Monday.com accounts currently subscribed to a plan can change permission settings. So if this section is unavailable, your account plan may be the reason. In the Permissions section, you'll see several options that control what people are allowed to do in the workspace. These include who can create boards, delete boards, invite members, create dashboards, create documents, and manage workspace settings. Review each option carefully and choose the setting that best fits how your team works. For example, you may want broader access for managers, while limiting more sensitive actions, like deleting boards or changing workspace settings. After selecting the appropriate option for each permission, save your changes. It's always a good idea to review everything once more before finishing, just to make sure each setting matches your team's responsibilities and access needs. That's how to set user permissions in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.